The topic I will be shedding light on is the subtle art of nudging. How can public relations utilize behavioral insights to foster positive attitudes among target audiences? In the ever evolving landscape of public relations, understanding human behavior and behavioral insights has become increasingly vital. The incorporation of these insights, particularly through nudging, offers PR professionals a powerful tool to influence attitudes and behaviors among their target audiences. Before diving into the topic, it's essential to grasp the concept of behavioral insights. This field delves into understanding the integrities of human decision making and behavior across various contexts. It encompasses a spectrum of psychological, social, cognitive factors that sway human actions. Within the realm of behavioral insights lie the concept of nudging. A nudge, as we use the term, is any aspect of the choice architecture that alters people's behavior in a predictable way without forbidding any options or significantly changing their economic incentives. At its core, nudging involves altering someone's behavior by modifying the environment or the circumstances. It is simply like a gentle push in the right direction. Nudge takes many forms, as can be seen from these few examples. For instance, WFF's map like paper towel cases, Volkswagen the Fun Theory campaign, and Amazon's tactic of indicating scarcity. Nudges, as observed in both corporate and consumer contexts, are extensively utilized to guide behaviors towards improved and fairer outcomes. The UK's behavioural insight teams harnesses nudge within public policy to positively influence behaviour across domains such as public health, tax compliance, and organ donation. Public relation is an essential tool for shaping public perception, building relationships, and influencing success. To ensure maximum impact, it's crucial to define the target audience before embarking on any PR activity. Proactive crisis management by PR practitioners can quickly restore trust with stakeholders and shape public opinions. KFC's effective PR strategy demonstrated the power of managing the story of a crisis. While the strategy was successful, in my opinion, incorporating behavioral insights could improve the process even further. Behavioral insights present a unique opportunity for public relation professionals. These insights allow PR pros to comprehend how public's minds function even when they are not conscious of it. By utilizing this knowledge, PR can develop messages that resonate with the target audience. They can test ideas and create evidence to avoid common thinking errors and adapt to changes. While this concept is still in its early stages, it shows promising results for crisis management and intelligent decision making. Nudging is a powerful strategy that's commonly used in marketing but so often overlooked in PR. However, it can be effectively used in communications since its aim is to influence behavior or opinion. In PR, nudges can help to influence consumer or stakeholder behavior at crucial decision points, ultimately helping PR professionals achieve their desired outcomes. PR professionals can use social proof as an effective nudge to shape positive perceptions. This phenomena occurs when people look to other people's actions and behaviors to guide their own decisions. Forms of social proof such as expert endorsement, celebrity association, user testimonial, and crowd wisdom can be powerful tools. It cannot be denied that PR professionals already use some of these techniques. Framing messages positively and offering solution-oriented approach can encourage people to adopt desired behaviors by emphasizing benefits over risk. Positive incentive work better than negative consequences as they align with human psychology. Look at the example given, 80% fat-free rather than framing negatively as containing 20% fat. This is very simple reframing, but it's effective. Clear, simple, and easily understandable framing makes desired behavior intuitive, reducing the cognitive burden. PR professionals can use scarcity and urgency as nudges to drive desired behaviors. Scarcity plays on limited supply, prompting action through limited quantities. Urgencies create a sense of importance around the product, often through clear deadlines or time-sensitive offers. These nudges increase message value, prompt quicker actions, and evoke fear of missing out. Ethical implication in this is essential to maintain and avoid potential backlash. The Don't Mess with Texas campaign is an excellent example of a successful PR campaign that effectively used nudge to encourage individuals to refrain from littering. The campaign appeals to Texan pride and identity, reinforces the social norm of keeping Texas clean. This type of framing, rather than emphasizing the risk, acts as a nudge to make the desired behavior more appealing and motivating. Ogilvy partnered with Cloud Army for Nano Salad brand, integrating behavioral science and neuroscience to gather evidence on effective messaging, packaging, and product claims. Insights gained from this collaboration positioned Ogilvy as the leader in behavioral strategies and highlighted the promising future of behavioral insights in PR. Integrating behavioral science can improve engagement and achieve better outcomes, positioning PR as an innovative leader in communication strategies. Nudges can be used as a powerful tool in the PR relations campaigns. However, their use must be guided by ethical considerations. A nudge must be transparent, easily opt-outable, and focused on improving welfare. In employing nudges, PR professionals must maintain transparency, respect individual autonomy, and avoid manipulation by reframing from tactics that exploit cognitive biases. By navigating these ethical considerations responsibly, PR professionals can achieve positive outcomes and build trust with their audiences. To summarize, the combination of behavioral insights and nudging strategies in public relations present a promising approach to positively influence attitudes and behavior. By incorporating nudging strategies, PR professionals can create campaigns that connect with audiences on a deeper level. However, ethical considerations are something that must be kept in mind. With careful implementation, the integration of nudging in PR can help shaping more positive attitudes and behavior among target audiences. Thank you.